Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Mrs. H and I are out for a meeting today, so you guys are going to be on your own for a little bit to go through this example. All right, we have Unit 8, Lesson 2, histograms. Our targets are to create a histogram and interpret a histogram. So that means that we need to go through and be able to identify what the histogram is telling us and also how to make one. Now, go ahead, pause the video right now and go through these three vocabulary terms: histogram, frequency table, and interval. Histogram is a table that shows frequency of data divided into equal intervals. You notice that the intervals are all interlinked here. There is no space in between, so you do not want any space in between the bars. Okay? A frequency table is a table shown to show each interval and its data. We're going to go down through here, and that is our frequency table. Our intervals are the numbers between two specific values. So, for instance, anyone between the ages of 15 to 25 years old. When we are looking to create a frequency table, very first thing that we have to do is organize the data that we have into intervals. Okay? What we do, and a lot of this times this is going to be done for you, so you're not going to have to worry about it. We take the lowest number, we take the highest number, and we round them. We'll round that down to 100, round that up to 400, and our range is 100 to 400, so our range is 300. We're going to divide that into 6 different intervals. So 300 divided by 6 is 50. So we're going to start at 100 and go to 149. Then from 150 to 199, 200 to 249, 250 to 300, to 299, 300 to 349, and 349 to 399. They are all the same amount. I can't have an interval that goes from 100 to 110 and then 110 to 240. Each interval must be the same. There we go. Sorry, it was a little funky there. Must be the same amount of space or numbers. Doesn't mean that they have to have the same number of tallies in them, just that they have to have the same starting point, ending point amount, which is 50 in this case. So now I go through. How many do I have from 100 to 149? I have 108, and 137. So I have 2 tallies, so my frequency is 2. Then I go 150 to 199. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my tallies go in. Then 200 to 249. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 250 to 299. I have 1. 300 to 349. I have 1. And 349 to 399. I have 1. So the big difference between a bar diagram, which we have up here, is that it would be something like, oh, the color of the shirts of the students in the classroom. How many people have red, green, blue, yellow? Whereas in our histogram deals with those intervals. And our intervals are our independent variables, so they go down on the bottom. And our frequency goes on our y-axis, so it's our dependent variable. I'm going to go up by 2s. Going to go up by 2's. And I'm going to start with each interval. 100 to 149. So I have 2 frequencies. So I'm going to go from here over 2. Next, I'm going to go 150 to 199. I'm going to write 150 to 199. There I have 7. So I bring this line up. Notice that my histogram is interconnected. Each line runs into each other. Then 200 to 249. And I have 8. Then 250 to 299. I have 1. Then 300 to 349. I have 1. 350 to 399. I have 1. That's my histogram, all interconnected, all set up, ready to go. So pause your video and make sure that you have that filled in, and then we will take a look at the back side. All right, so now we're just talking about measures of center versus measures of spread. I want you to give these 2 examples a try on your own, and we will go over those tomorrow. All right? Your homework is on the center table. Make sure that you go through it, take your time, complete it. If you are done, when you are done, I should say, you can work on Kant. All right. Have a good day.